Hey y'all, it's Jocelyn, aka Grandbaby Cakes, and 'tis the season to make peppermint bark, y'all. We are in the holiday mood today in the kitchen. I'm gonna show you this simple and easy recipe that you can give as holiday gifts to all of your friends, or you can just eat by yourself on the couch. Whatever your holiday mood is, you can do that with this recipe. Let's get it going. Okay, y'all, so to get started, we've got to melt down some chocolate. So I've got some milk chocolate here. You can use dark chocolate chips, whatever you like. I'm gonna add these to a bowl, and we're going to create a double boiler effect here. I've got some boiling water, and I'm gonna add my bowl directly over it, and this is going to allow the steam to actually melt this chocolate down. Now, is there an easier way to do this? Yeah, you can pop this in the microwave. I actually have some white chocolate chips, which I'm going to melt down in the microwave, so we're doing both at the same time, so you know. So that goes in, and I'm gonna melt this down and check in like 30-second intervals, and each time it comes out, I'm gonna just whisk it together until it's nice and smooth. Same thing with this. So now that our chocolate is both melted down, I'm gonna start by adding our milk chocolate directly to a parchment lined baking sheet. And then I'm just gonna start spreading this out into a thin layer. And then I've got my white chocolate here, and I'm just gonna drizzle some over the top. And then finally, I'm just gonna add some peppermint here. Like, there are multiple flavors that I have on my website for this, but we're just making one variety today, and you can just play around and do whatever you like here. All right, y'all, I'm gonna put my little mini peppermint bark in the freezer so it firms up and we can break it apart later. Hey y'all, so this is nice and frozen now. I'm just gonna start picking this up. Actually, it should pull away from the parchment. You'll notice that. My little mini bark. Just for me. So don't be asking for none, right? So all I'm gonna do is just seriously start breaking pieces apart. Oh yeah, and it breaks apart so easily. You can use a knife, or you can even just use your hands and just go, ah, like that. That's the fun part of bark. Oh, yeah, you have to make that sound too. Eee. Aha! just having a little fun. And there you go, there's your easy peppermint bark. Super easy to make, y'all. Like I said, you just use your hands, cut it apart, and you serve it or just eat it at home. It's so easy to make. And you can grab this recipe along with some other varieties of chocolate bark that you can make during the holidays at grandbabycakes.com. And leave me a message, tell me how simple this was to make and how much you enjoyed eating it on the couch by yourself and not sharing it with the kids, because that's what I'm gonna do. And then also make sure you come back here and subscribe so you can check out more videos. Let me enjoy my bark, y'all. See you next time.